Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study timetable for home class. First, let's lay the groundwork for an effective study plan. Begin by evaluating your daily schedule to pinpoint consistent time slots for learning. Next, create a comprehensive list of all your subjects and the specific topics you need to master. Finally, identify when you are most focused and alert, as these are your prime study hours. This initial assessment is crucial for building a realistic and productive timetable. Now, let's structure your study blocks for maximum impact. Assign your most challenging subjects to those times when your concentration is highest. For instance, tackle mathematics or science during your peak hours. Divide larger subjects into smaller, focused segments, perhaps 45 to 60 minutes each, to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember to alternate between different subjects to keep your mind fresh and prevent monotony, ensuring sustained engagement throughout your study day. It's vital to incorporate regular breaks and maintain flexibility within your timetable. After every 45 to 60 minutes of focused study, take a short 10-minute break to rest your mind. Also, ensure you schedule longer, 30-minute breaks for meals and to truly relax. Remember to allocate about 1 hour of buffer time each week. This allows for unexpected events or provides extra time to revisit challenging topics, making your schedule adaptable and sustainable. Finally, regularly review and refine your study timetable to ensure its continued success. At the end of each week, take a moment to evaluate what worked well and what could be improved. Don't hesitate to seek input from your parents or teachers. Their insights can be incredibly valuable. Remember, your academic journey is dynamic, so be ready to adjust your schedule as your learning requirements change. A flexible timetable is a successful one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.